Ready to jump into the exciting world of Twitch and share your awesome content with the world? First things first, head over to Twitch and create an account. This is your official Twitch identity. Make sure your username, profile picture, and bio accurately reflect your awesome personality or the content you want to create. Next, you'll need streaming software. There are many options like OBS Studio, Streamlabs Desktop, or XSPLIT. These platforms let you capture your gameplay, webcams, and audio so you can broadcast it all on Twitch. Download and install your preferred software. Now, let's connect your software to Twitch. In your streaming software, find the settings section, then look for the stream settings. You'll need your stream key from your Twitch dashboard, a unique string of characters that links your software and your account. Head back to Twitch. Go to your profile settings, find the stream key and paste it in your software and press apply. It's time to set up your scenes and sources in the streaming software. Click to add scenes which represent different layouts for your stream, like gameplay, a be right back screen, or a starting soon screen. Under each scene, add sources. This is where you add your webcam, game capture, screen capture, audio input, your microphone, and any other elements you want to show on stream. To make sure your stream looks and sounds great, ensure to adjust your settings accordingly in your software. Go through the settings one final time. Configure your resolution to make your stream look its best. Adjust the audio levels to make sure you can be heard clearly. And test your microphone and webcam to ensure they are working. Now, you're ready to go live on your streaming software. Click Start Streaming, then back on Twitch. Navigate to your channel and watch the magic happen. Interact with your audience, have fun, and get ready to build your community.